Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So, my wife's cracking jokes, so that's why I'm laughing. Anyway, yeah, you're wondering, like, why is this display board over here? Yeah, so we just worked on a project. We did a collab with somebody, and it's coming up pretty soon. So, they wanted to see the quilt completed, the quilt top completed behind me. So, in order for me to do that without like moving the whole room around, I just flipped my display board onto this side. Yeah, it's covering up it's only fabric, it's only thread, I know. But we'll put it up somewhere else. And I'm saying that because, yeah, I'm thinking about changing the room around. The island is good. I'm outgrowing it though, I need more space. I need more workspace. So my wife brought up the idea to have maybe push this forward and make it into a U. So, you can go all the way around like you are with the island, but then I'll have more workspace. I could push this out. I can have my ironing board on, or I can have my self-healing mat, one that's completely fitting the table surface itself. And then I can have both my machines. And as you can see, yeah, my brother is still employed, okay? But I'm also using the Bernina as well. I still need to do a review on this table. And that review is coming up shortly, okay? But yeah, stay tuned. You guys are going to be involved. I know how you guys like how I changed my room around. And yeah, it's coming up. We're going to be changing this room around because I'm outgrowing it. I've got stuff everywhere, like a good quilter should, okay? If you saw this floor right here behind me, you'd be like, well, my wife would be like, oh, that's what we're doing. Okay, a quilter's wife's life is always steady, okay? But yeah, we're going to be changing this around. So stay tuned. We'll probably pick some stuff up, and yeah, I'm going to resurface this whole thing, move some stuff around, try to make it a little bit more organic, all right? So when you're watching videos, I'm not like shuffling over to one spot, shuffling over to another spot. We're going to kind of make it where I can just pivot around to it and you can still catch it, okay? I want to make it a little more organic, but yeah, I'm also saving space. My wife's giving me guff. I'm saving space for my mid-arm. All right, we're going to save that wall back there for the mid-arm. That's between you and I. Don't tell her. We're looking for the mid-arm, okay? All right. But we are definitely going to be improving our space here, okay? I don't like it anymore, and I want to make it a little more organic for the both of us, okay? So stay tuned. We shall improve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.